we're back. It's The Vault. I'm your host, Bro Gilbert, and this time around, something incredible that you're going to be able to utilize in your Zoom performances. It's from Bakor Magic, and if you don't know Bakor Magic yet, I think you've been sleeping under a rock, because Haim Goldenberg and his friends have put out some exceptional material that you can use for your online virtual performances. This routine, Diception by Matan, Rosenberg, and Haim Goldenberg, is so good. It's simple, it's easy, it's a number force using simple dice, and yeah, everything you need is right here in this download. Check it out. This is Diception.